It's a new game, lame nigga forfeit. I'm well ahead, thoroughbred, you just horse shit. Flow out of this world, I'm in orbit. More chips, so them hoes chase me like Norbit. I'm more sick, no antidote. High like man to go. Flow crack and it's dope. Only talk money, homie.
Hey, what's up guys, it's my D, back at you another Collect Kick review, and today, got a new pickup. Got the Air Foamposite 1 cough drop. Just a box. Black varsity red is the colorway, of course. Picked these up for a really good price at the Nike outlet. I got them for $101 in a size 14 because everybody knows that these don't fit true to size, so I wear a 13, got it at 14, and they're really comfortable. They fit great. Alright, let's get started on to the review. So you have this darkish gray foam that goes around the whole shoe, of course, and then surrounded by the laces or the eyelets, you have this black nubuck suede with this varsity red Nike swoosh, and that suede going all the way around eyelets. Black laces with your varsity red line going down, and then you have your Foamposite 1 logo, and then you have your black and red pull tab front of the tongue, and in the back you have the Foamposite logo, a sock liner with the Nike Air. I don't know if you can see that. So you got the carbon fiber close near to the sole. On the inside of the shoe you got a little bit of that, and then forming around, I guess you can call it a midsole because there's really no midsole on here, you got your kind of cough drop red, dark red color going around the shoe, leading to the bottom of the shoe to the sole. Here it is all the way around, all this. And then again you have your Foamposite logo on the sole with your grooves in the middle, black, and then there's the rest of your carbon fiber on the sole. Here they are on feet. Really comfortable. That's it for today, guys. Very simple, but one of the most comfortable shoes I've ever worn. I'm glad to get them for such a low price. I definitely couldn't pass up that offer. Hope you liked the video. Check out my other videos if you haven't checked them out. Stay tuned for more pickups to be reviewed, and subscribe.